my playground. Black skirt, shoes and trainers. Shane has joined the chat. It was chucking it down when I stepped out. It's not now. Come on then. Carl and Terry. Are there llama plushies here? In this shop? She's definitely in a league of her own, so just stream. Sick of that shit. All the while, an exhausting walk in the horrible countryside, a tiresome swim in a pointless bit of sea, knackering drinks with close friends. Thanks a lot. Simple pimple, stomach stab. What are the things that you have to clear out? Baking powder, big jar of mayonnaise. What about all the uneaten sausages? Clean the fat out of the grill pan. This is the hardest thing I've ever had to do. Now, trying not to think about all the memories. Remember when you had to take these pills? Remember when you had to take these pills? Maybe I just need someone. Never talk about your ex. Never, 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 never slag them off, because then they know. Then they know. All the while, an exhausting walk in the horrible countryside, a tiresome swim, knackering drinks. Thanks a lot.